Hey guys, it's Bria. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I did not decide to do my makeup other than my mascara. I look like poop. So don't mind me. But today is the day that my brown leaves my head. So basically, a year ago, last August, I dyed my hair back to my natural color. And I've gotten quite a few haircuts, one really big chop, and basically everything from here to, I want to guess, about here is my natural root color, and everywhere from here down is my blonde. Now, my plan is to go back blonde, keep getting full foil highlights until November after I have a wedding to go to, and then I would like to do teal. So in order to do that, I'm not going to be using bleach today. I am going to be using something called Color Oops, and some of you may know what it is, some of you may not. It's basically a color remover. It says removes artificial hair color, gently removes permanent and semi-permanent hair color, takes only 20 minutes, safe and easy, ammonia free and bleach free, recolor the same day. So I've already used this before. When my hair used to be pink, I took out the pink with Color Oops to return it back to blonde so I could do another color. Worked awesome. My sister, she's a strawberry blonde with like a lot of blonde highlights, and we did her like a level 4 red violet. Super pretty, but she kept it for like a month, and we did the Color Oops on her, and it literally took every single purple pigment out of her hair. It was amazing. So, in order for me to catch up my ends with the top and not damage and re-highlight all the stuff that is light underneath, because you can see where it's faded, like where my blonde pieces are. So we're just saving damage and get me back to blonde. So I got 4 boxes of Color Oops. Now, you might not need to use this much. I have a lot of hair, so I need this many. When I have my pink in my hair, I only had it in my ends, so I only needed like 2 boxes, but I have a lot of hair and it's long, so my sister used 5 boxes, so I'm hoping that I don't need to because my hair isn't as long as hers was, but her hair is really thick like mine. So I'm gonna just be showing you guys a little bit of this process. I've used this on my clients because why am I gonna bleach their hair and cause damage when I don't have to? Basically, the gist is that before color, and then after color. So it says, Color Oops Extra Strength is the safest and most effective way to reverse an undesirable hair color application in just 20 minutes. Color Oops corrects your hair color by shrinking the dye molecules, allowing them to simply wash away. Our unique formula is bleach-free and ammonia-free. Color Oops will not have the damaging effects of bleach or ammonia-based products. Color Oops Extra Strength is formulated to remove the most difficult colors and color buildup. Color Oops is so gentle that you can recolor your hair the same day. Basically, you don't have to mess up your hair to use this. If you're just sick of having a color and you want to change it up, or you want to go back to being blonde, this is a good option. I always suggest using professional color or even color from Sally's over using the box dye that you get at CVS and stuff. It will definitely take out professional color. It's just a lot better ingredients, and it's pretty easy. You basically just section your head and saturate your strands from root to tip, making sure everything is covered, and you wait 20 minutes. Seth, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Seth loves YouTube, right?
Yeah.
This is my sister that I was talking about. See her hair? It was purple like 2 months ago.
Purple.
And this stuff fixed it.
Yeah.
And my mom's gonna be helping me today.
Hi YouTube,
What's up?
it's Bria. I'm back with another video.
Yeah, and this is little Seth.
Today we're gonna be doing the Color Oops.
Yeah. That's Bria's
My
doing.
sister had purple hair and now it's this color.
Yeah.
Came out pretty good, and now we're gonna try it with mine.
Yeah. So let's get started.
So starting off with dry hair, my mom just sectioned my hair in 4 big sections, and she's applying the product to my root area. Taking small sections, she's applying the product from root to tip, saturating it completely. Make sure you wear protective gloves with this product. After finishing the section, she's just putting it up neatly so that the product doesn't drip everywhere. It is a little bit messy. So this is the new do. We basically just sectioned all of my head and thoroughly saturated everything. And now I have to wait 20 minutes for it to process. It also smells really bad, but it works really good, so it's kind of worth it. But think Perm's ugly sister. That's what it smells like. That's what it smells like. But yeah, so we're just...
like skunk.
The most important step in this process is to thoroughly shampoo and rinse the hair of all the color pigment that's now released from the cuticle. And you're going to rinse the hair for 20 minutes the first time, 5 minutes for the second time, and third time also 5 minutes, to really make sure you get all of the product and the color pigment out of your hair. It's a really tedious process, but it is so worth the outcome. So these are the final results. It worked so good. My hair is back to blonde on the ends. I don't have to relift through the artificial pigment in order to get back to blonde. It's really going to help me and prevent damage.
Give a like, comment, and subscribe.
Yup.